Maybe just I didn't drink the coffee at the right time and realized that you were in project controls.
Yeah.
That just makes this so much more juicier for me.
It does.
to
We're
talk
going to bring
about.
up some dirty laundry, some schedule and controls dirty laundry.
Oh my god.
Well,
Go
hang
for
on.
it, The EBFC show exists to serve people in the construction industry.
It was something I read, or one of your guests prior. It's, does your role really define who you are and your identity? And so Kate and I are really unpacking that right now. So sure, by title, this is who we are, but it is a lot more fun to do all the other bits and pieces that may not appear in a job description but still have a lot of impact. We're going through that right now and you get to experience it with us. That existential who am I question? And who do I want to be when I grow up? Kate's already gotten there. She's told us that in the intro. She is
I
an
said
adult.
I feel like an
so-
adult, not that I am an adult. Very different.
Subtle difference.
That's
Okay.
awesome.